Hey guys, it's Miss Bell. I wanted to answer the question of what gets graded and how can we find it. So I've just spent the past couple hours going through each class's Google Classroom and kind of cleaning up the classwork tab and the assignments that are listed there, reorganizing them. So now you can see there's just two topics. There's the current assignment where you can find whatever the work is that we're doing that particular week. In this case, we're on week 2. We're doing a writing packet where you're journaling for 20 minutes a day. That's about 10 to 20 sentences if you want full credit, just so you know. And then the past assignments are down here. And that's from week 1 of distance learning, which is when we are looking at the graphic novel and comparing it to Farewell to Manzanar. And what I did is I kind of just put graded. I kind of retitled these so you can see which ones are actually in the grade book. So day 5 is in the grade book. This is day 4. And then day 2 is in the grade book. Those 3 things. Okay. And just to kind of show you what those are, I've had a few people continue to ask me even this week, how do we find the graphic novel? What is the graphic novel? So here's day 5. Okay, they all follow the same format. This is day 4, and then this is day 2. The graphic novel is always attached, so just scroll down to see it. The graphic novel is what looks like a cartoon. It was written by George Takei down here, okay? So this is where he's talking about the loyalty oath. Did his parents sign it or not? The loyalty oath means, were they going to agree to be in the army? Can you imagine being in one of these internment camps and someone asking you if you're willing to die for the country that put you in prison? That was the question that they were asked. And you're comparing it or contrasting it to what happened in Farewell to Manzanar. So in Farewell to Manzanar, there's a few pages to read where they also talk about the loyalty oath. So you can kind of scroll down and find them there, right? Did they sign it? Yes or no? So you get some details here about, what goes on in each book. And then here's the part I'm actually grading, though, is this. Write a 3-sentence T paragraph. This is what T stands for if you've forgotten. Compare or contrast. Similar or different. Are the 2 books similar or different when they talk about the loyalty oath? In other words, did the parents sign the oath or not in these 2 books? Okay, that's day 5. Day 4 had a different topic. That was the voyage to camp, like when they were actually going there. So like, for instance, here in this graphic novel, they went by train. Did they go by train in Manzanar? Right? That's kind of a question you can think to yourself. Write a paragraph. Is it the same or different? What's the same or different between those 2 books? Manzanar, in this case, is attached through a PDF because it was just easier to do that. Day 2 was about Pearl Harbor and the direct effects of Pearl Harbor. So again, compare Manzanar in the PDF to the attached graphic novel pages down here to Pearl Harbor, okay? And what happened afterwards. I'll give you a hint down here. I thought this one was jumped out at me. Like, look, remember this scene? This is a similarity with Manzanar right here. Breaking plates rather than selling them cheaply to someone else, right? So anyway, those are those 3 assignments, and the T paragraphs are what I graded, and they are in the grade book. If you're confused about anything, please reach out. Email me. We can communicate digitally through email or through Google Classroom. We can set up a phone conference. We can Zoom, whatever. But I just need to make sure that you guys understand how to do the work, where it is, and I'm here to help you if you guys need it. Okay? Hope you're doing well.